Welcome to exercise 4.5 solution. First question, simplify the following rational expressions assuming that the expressions in the denominator are not equal to 0. Here given rational expressions, which is nothing but p of x divided by q of x. One polynomial there in the numerator, another polynomial there in the denominator. Here q of x is not equal to 0. So which is the rational expressions explanation. Now look at the numerator. Now we are having this in the form of p of x divided by q of x, numerator divided by denominator. If we are taking p of x, 3p squared minus 3pq minus 18q squared. 3p square, 3 and 18 are not square numbers, and 3 is common for all the three terms, so take 3 as common factor. So p squared minus pq minus 6q squared. Now this is in the form of x plus a into x plus b. So as we you know, the product term is minus 6 and the sum is minus 1. We need to choose two integers. Factors for minus 6 is nothing but, because sum is there in the negative one, minus 6 into plus 1 gives minus 6, and minus 3 into plus 2 will gives minus 6. Two factors. Okay, here minus 6, the sum of these two will become minus 5, the sum of these two is minus 1. So the proper integers are minus 3 and plus 2. When we are multiplying this 2, you will be getting minus 6. When we are adding this 2, you will be getting minus 1. So splitting the middle term, we can write this splitting into middle term, 3 times p squared minus 3pq plus 2pq minus 6q squared. Minus pq splitted as minus 3pq plus 2pq. So 3 into, for these two terms, p is the common factor, p into p minus 3q. And for these two terms, 2q is a plus 2q is a common factor, plus 2q if we are taking out p minus 3q. Now we are having two terms, p into p minus 3q, 2q into p minus 3pq. In that, the common one is nothing but p minus 3q. The rest of the terms are p plus 2q. So these are the two factors for the numerator, that is p of x, numerator's factor. Let's see the denominator's factor. Q of x is nothing but p squared plus 3pq minus 10q squared. 10 is not a square number, so we cannot go with a plus b or a minus b identity. Once again, x plus a, x plus b. Now our product term is minus 10. Because p square's coefficient is 1, so you have to take minus 10 as it is. Minus 10 is the product term and plus 3 is the addition term, plus 3. So let's see the factors of 10. Plus 3 means greater number should have plus sign. So plus 10 into minus 1 will gives minus 10. Then plus 5 into minus 2 will gives minus 10. That's all, two factors. Now sum of these two is plus 9. Sum of these two is plus 3. So proper integers are plus 5 and minus 2. When we are multiplying these two, we will be getting minus 10. When we are adding these two, we will be getting plus 3. So the integers are plus 5 and minus 2. Now split the middle term. P squared 3pq can be splitted as plus 5pq minus 2pq will give plus 3pq minus 10q squared. Take the common number, common factor outside. First two terms p is common, p plus 5q. Rest of the term. Next two terms minus 2q is common, minus 2 into minus 2q into p plus 5q. Now these two terms, we can see p plus 5q is a common factor, p plus 5q into the rest of the factors p minus 2q. So this is the factor for q of x, which is our denominator. Now let's see the factors, that is the given sum is 3p squared minus 3pq minus 18q squared divided by p squared plus 3pq minus 10q squared is nothing but numerator 3 times p minus 3q into p plus 2q divided by denominator factors p plus 5q into p minus 2q. So this is the factorization of the given. So numerator we are having this one. Numerator we factorized like this. Then denominator we factorized like this. Now p of x divided by q of x, we got this answer. Suppose any common factor is there, we can cancel it, but here we are not at all having any common factor. So this is the factorization of the given rational expression. Next question. Look at the next question. Here the rational expression p of x divided by q of x. Our p of x nothing but n cube minus 3n squared m plus 3n m squared minus m cube. This is in the form of a cube minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared minus b cube, which is nothing but a minus b the whole cube. So in this numerator, our a is n and our b is m. So we can factorize that is p of x as n minus m the whole cube. Now look at the denominator, that is our q of x. This is our factorization of the numerator. Let's say the denominator, that is our q of x. Q of x is equal to 5m squared minus 10mn plus 5n squared. So if we are taking 5 is not square number, so take it outside. Minus 2mn plus n squared. So this is in the form of a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So we can factorize this, that is q of x nothing but 5 times m minus n the whole square, because here in denominator our a is m, our b is n, so m minus n the whole square. Let's see the original question, that is n cube minus 3n squared m plus 3n m squared minus m cube divided by 5m squared minus 10mn plus 5n squared is equal to n minus m the whole cube divided by 5 times m minus n the whole square. Now square, when we are squaring minus into minus will become plus. So we can write the denominator n minus m the whole cube is nothing but 5 into minus of n minus m the whole square. Now it is nothing but n minus m the whole cube, minus into minus will become plus, so n minus m the whole squared. Now we can cancel two factors from the numerator with the denominator, remaining one will be there in the numerator, so m minus m divided by 5 is the answer for the given question. So here our rational expression p of x divided by q of x. P of x is nothing but w cube minus b cube plus x cube plus 3wvx. This is in the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube plus 3abc. Here v is there in the negative, so that originally our formula should have negative sign here. This is minus 3ab. In our given sum, v is negative. So because of this negative, negative and negative will become positive here. So here w is positive and v is negative and x is positive. So it can be written as a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to a plus b plus c into a squared plus b squared plus c squared minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca. Here we are having v is negative. So p of x is equal to w cube b cube plus x cube plus 3wvx is equal to w minus v plus x into w squared plus v squared plus x squared and a into b. V is negative, so that minus into minus plus 2 into wv. Then v and x negative, so minus into minus 2v vx, and w and x are positive, so minus 2wx. So this is the answer for the numerator. Let's see the denominator. Q of x is equal to w squared plus v squared plus x squared minus 2wv minus 2vx plus 2wx. Now look at the term, this product term. W and x both are same sign, so that we are getting positive sign here. If v and x are different sign, so that negative. W and v are different sign, so that negative sign, which means w and x are positive, v is negative. So using our identity, which is a plus b plus c the whole squared is nothing but a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So here v negative and w and x are positive. So our q of x factorization is nothing but w minus v plus x the whole squared. So the given question, that is w cube minus v cube plus x cube plus 3wvx divided by w squared plus v squared plus x squared minus 2wv minus 2vx plus 2wx is nothing but the numerator factorization is w minus v plus x into w squared plus v squared plus x squared plus 2wv plus 2vx minus 2wx divided by w minus v plus x the whole squared. Now here this one factor and here we are having two factor which are common, and cancelling this, the rest of the factors w squared v squared plus x squared plus 2wv minus 2vx plus 2vx minus 2wx divided by w minus v plus x without the square, because we cancelled one factor with the numerator. Now this is p of x and q of x. Here p of x nothing but 4y squared. 4y is 2y the whole squared. Then here 5z the whole squared. While checking the middle term, 2 into 2y into 5z, the product is nothing but 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So this is nothing but 2y, middle term sign is minus 5z the whole squared. Numerator q of x 25z squared minus 4y squared. 25 is a square number, so 5y squared, 4 is the square number, 2y squared. This is nothing but a squared minus b squared. a plus b into a minus b, 5y plus 2y into 5y minus 2y. So you know that identity, which is a squared minus b squared, nothing but a plus b into a minus b. Here our a is 5y, our b is 2y. So 5y plus 2y and 5y minus z, not y, z. 5z. 5z squared, 5z the whole square, and 5z plus 2z, 5z minus 2z. So 5z is our a. Now taking our original question, 4y squared minus 20yz plus 25z squared divided by 25z squared minus 4y squared is equal to 2y minus 5z the whole squared divided by 5z plus 2y and 5z minus 2y. These are the two factors. Once again, in the numerator, we are taking negative sign outside. That is minus of 5z minus 2y the whole squared. Then 5z plus 2y into 5z minus 2y. The numerator becomes 5z minus 2y the whole squared divided by 5z plus 2y into 5z minus 2y. We can cancel one factor. So rest of the factors are 5z minus 2y divided by 5z plus 2y. Fifth question. Here two in numerator p of x itself, two polynomials, q of x itself, two polynomials. Let's see first polynomial, x squared plus x minus 6. In this, product is minus 6, sum is plus 1. So minus 3 plus 2. These are the two integers. Product will give this and sum will give, that is plus 3 minus 2. Here four polynomials are there. We will see one by one. First polynomial, x squared plus x minus 6. So the product is minus 6, sum is plus 1. It can be splitted as x plus 3 into x minus 2. When we are multiplying, you will be getting minus 6. 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. 3 plus minus 2 is plus 1. So we are choosing the integers 3 and minus 2. Then next, x squared minus 7x plus 12. So 12's factors are 1 into 12 and 2 6 are 12, 3 4s are 12. So everything 12, we are getting plus 12. So both are negative, so that the addition term we will be getting negative. So these are the correct integers, which means minus 3 into minus 3 will give, minus 4 will give plus 12, and minus 3 plus minus 4 will give minus 7. So the factors are x minus 3 and x minus 4. These are the factors. Next, x squared minus 6x plus 8. That is, the product is 8 and the sum is minus 6. So 8's factors are 1 into 8, 8, 2 4s are 8. Again, this is positive, the middle term is negative, so both are negative. These are the correct integers. minus 2 and 8. Minus 2 into minus 4 will give plus 8. Minus 2 plus minus 4 will give minus 6. So the factors are x minus 2 and x minus 4. Next, x squared minus 9 can be written as x squared minus 3 squared is nothing but x plus 3 into x minus 3. A plus b and a minus b integer. Then the original x squared plus x minus 6 into x squared minus 7x plus 12 divided by x squared minus 6x plus 8 into x squared minus 9, which is equal to numerator x plus 3 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 into x minus 4. These are the 4 factors for numerator because 2 polynomials are there in the numerator. Denominator x minus 2, x minus 4 for first polynomial and x plus 3 into x minus 3 for the second polynomial. Now we can cancel the same factors. X minus 2 cancel. X minus 4 cancel. X plus 3 cancel, x minus 3 cancel. So the answer is 1. So everything cancelled one time. So the answer is 1. Now our p of x here is p power 4 minus 16. When we are writing 16 as 2's power 4. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 16. 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 2's are 16. So we can write 2 power 4, which is nothing but p squared the whole squared minus 2 squared the whole squared. So here our a is p squared. A is p squared and b is 2 squared. So when we are expanding this in the form of a squared minus b squared, a plus b into a minus b, a is p squared and 2 squared and p squared minus 2 squared. So a plus b, a minus b format p squared plus 2 squared and p squared minus 2 squared. So for plus we cannot do anything. So p squared plus 4 you can write. This one again a squared minus b squared format. It can be split in as a plus b, p plus 2 and p minus 2, because here our a, for this this is a squared minus b squared means our a is p and b is 2. So p plus 2, p minus 2. These are the two factors for the numerator. For the denominator q of x, p squared minus 4p plus 2 is nothing but p squared plus 2 squared, middle term 2 into p into 2. 2 2's are 4. So which is nothing but p minus 2 the whole square. So original expression p power 4 divided by 16, p power 4 minus 16 divided by p squared minus 4p plus 4 is equal to, in numerator we are having 3 factors, p squared plus 4 and p plus 2 into p minus 2. In denominator we are having only two factors, that is in square format, p minus 2 the whole square. We can cancel one factor with this. So the rest of the factors, p squared plus 4 into p plus 2 divided by p minus 2. This is the answer for the given one. Thank you.